Children, welcome to another class of mathematics. We have been doing the sets and we have taken up questions also. I have taken ample time to explain you things, and the method will go on like that only. We are doing with exercise 1A. And I had told you questions from 1A only. So this is your chapter is idea of sets. In the idea of sets, it is the 6th lecture. S1 means first chapter and L6 means 6th lecture on this topic, and exercise 1A. Exercise 1A. See, this all which I am writing, I am maintaining in my copy also. So please keep in mind, suppose sometimes people are saying, sir, you have not taught this, you have not taught that. In that case, this will be highly helpful, right? So I think so 6th, in the last class, we had taken 6th, 2nd, 3rd and 4th part we had taken. Now question number 6th and part 5. See, I am taking time to explain this because children are facing problems in these things, okay? They are saying, so, and note down everything I am telling here in the class or copy, everything. I am not leaving questions as homework and all, so try everything, okay? Everything you write. Now 5th part, it's saying, P is that P equal to 7m. Now see, again you make the rough column as I had said, so P is equal to 7m. If you have done algebra in your class 7, P equal to 7. That means, again, as I told in the last class, M is the independent, P is the dependent. That means the value of M decides the value of P, and certainly also you will find that in the question it will be giving to you that what is the value of M. That means there has to be a range of values for M. What are those values, children? It's given M is more than equal to -1. So M is more than equal to -1 and less than equal to 3. So immediately you write the values of M. So what all are the possible values of M? It will be more than equal to, so -1 will be there. And see, M is belongs to the group of integers. Yes or no? So since M belongs to the group of integers, M will be what? -1. Then what next will be higher will be what? 0, 1, 2 and 3. Not more than that. So these are the possible values of M. This you have to write. If you want to show it in the here also, you can do that also. So you can write. Now, can we get different values of P as per the values of M? So first value at, we can write at M equal to -1. What is the value of P? 7 into -1. That means what? -7. At M equal to 0. Any number multiplied by 0 gives you 0 only. So need not try also. Right? So P will be what? 7 into 0, that is, some people write here 7, those are legends. Now at M equal to 1, P is equal to 7 into 1, that is 7. At, and now you can understand the pattern, so need not write 2 or 3 you write, and you can leave also 2. P is equal to 7 into 2, that is 40. So basically it is what now? P such that P. So they want the value of P only. So they have given the value of P, how it will be judged by the value of M. Then since they have told about one other variable called as M, they will be telling that it belongs to which group of numbers. So M belongs to the group of integers. Then after telling that, they have also told how to tell the range. So, or what is the range that, see, question to question things can change. So for this question, they have told that this particular is the range for m. All the values of m will be coming from or decided from this particular expression. Now we are through with our things. This you can write in the rough column, and always make it a habit to write in the rough column also. So since it's a set, let's give it a name also. I think so. A, B, C, D, E. E, I'm taking up E. So E is equal to, make a curly bracket, because this is, we are representing in which form? Tabular form. Tabular form also is called as what? Also called as rule method. No, not rule method, roster method. Rule method is your set builder one. Okay. This is called as tabular or roster form. So in roster form, what are we doing? In the roster form of representation of the sets, we are just writing the elements of the set separated by commas and enclosed in the brackets. Okay, so what are the values here? Value will be what? -7, then 0, then 7, 14, and what? At m equal to 3, what will be there? 3 into 7 is what? 21. So write here 21. Is it clear to all? And see children, one more thing which I want to communicate, that I try to write it big as possible again, but and see, it has never been there like I am writing and not speaking. So what I am writing, I am speaking also. So you can take it. There are different functionalities available in YouTube. You can take, suppose you find that I am speaking very fast, you can make it at 0.75x or 0.5x, and that video will play slower for you. Clear? So this fifth part is clear to all. Let me take the sixth part. Sixth question, sixth part. X is an element of n. So X is an element of n means the group of natural numbers. Natural numbers. So it is a group of natural numbers. Then what? Now it is telling x cube should be less than 30. Now you tell me the group of natural numbers. So what are group of natural numbers you can have? N equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now let's do the cube. So what are the positive value of x cube? So 1 cube you do, 2 cube you do, 3 cube, 4 cube. Now what is 1 cube? And so on. 1 cube is 1 only. 2 cube is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then 3 cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 4 4s are 16, 64s are 64. Now this will be coming with the values of x cube. Have they given a limit? Yes, they have. The limit is x cube should be less than 30. Now see here, some people may be tempted that, sir, why not to write 1, 8, 27 to 64? No. The question is saying write the value of x only. You have to write the value of x only because it is in what? X such that x. That means values of x have to be written such that x cube should be less than 30. And to which family it belongs? It belongs to the group of natural numbers. So we'll write here f. F is equal to, f is equal to, put a curly bracket there. The values will be taken up will be 1, then 2, then 3, and that's it. Because 4 cube is what? 64. So only 1, 2 and 3 will come in the brackets. Again this thing you will write, you have to write because I am writing. So you will understand also properly when it comes to you, so that you will not feel later that sir I am not knowing how you have done this, how you have done that, all those things. Clear to all? Now I am taking up the questions that people are facing problems into that. So that is express the following in the set builder form. So 2 parts from question number 6 I have done. Now question number 7. And I will be as slow as possible so that you understand also. Now see, set builder. Set builder means what will be there? One thing is for sure, you will have to write x such that x. Clear? For set builder, x such that x has to be there. Yes or no? Okay. Then what? Then we have to tell to which group it belongs. Group of numbers or family of numbers. That means natural numbers, integers, whole numbers and so on. This thing you have to check. Then limit. Like you are saying something means quick start guide or starter pack. So starter pack for set builder method. First thing is that in your answer what should be there? X should be there. Then you have to tell also that to which group of numbers that x belongs. X will be element of natural numbers, x will be element of integers, it will be equal to a whole number. Then limit. Limit means you have to tell that x is less than 7, x is more than equal to 3 and less than equal to 8. So these are limit. That means limit of, or basically if you want to don't say limit, you will better write it as range. Range is a better word here. Range. A range of x. So what is the first thing that I told here? One, that you have to write here x as that x. For which one? To represent the numbers in set builder form. Second is tell that x belongs to which group of numbers, like natural number, integer, whole number. And third thing is you have to tell the range of x. And finally, fourth thing is what? Fourth thing is that you have to tell about what is the relationship or relation. Relation you can also call it as expression. Expression connecting all elements. What are elements? Elements or members. I'll just have a look at that, whether it is visible properly or not. Yes, it is visible properly. So set builder, x, so that x should be there. Then what should be there? Group of numbers. That means we have to tell to which family of numbers that belongs to. And then you have to tell the range. That means the x varies from where to where. Okay, now. Then also have to tell the relationship. Relationship means what? I will give you an example. Suppose we find that x such that x equal to 2m. 2m, where m is a all these things you. That means x equal to 2m, or just like previous question we have taken up. X such that x equal to 2n plus 3. That means you have to give a relationship or expression that will connect. That means with this formula or expression you can generate the different elements, and that will be true for all the members of the set. Now taking up question number. So this thing also you can, if you want to write, you can write it there, up to you. but this is for understanding purpose. Remember my lecture, session 1, lecture 6, this thing I have told for the set builder. See, set builder, I did not explain much in that one because that was introduction. Set builder is all about understanding how to generate. So this thing is not written in the book also, but I am explaining it. This is something that, this is hands-on that I have generated for myself, so that you can benefit from it. I'm running it as of now. Now, how to generate 1, 1 by 2, then what? 1 by 3, then 1 by 4, and so on. What do you see here? Can I write it as 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4? Now you tell me what is not changing here. This person 1 is always here, 1, 1, 1. That means 1 is not changing. That means in your expression, see, the typical thing that will be coming to you is only the generating the expression. If you are able to generate the expression properly, question is done. So 1 is common. So let us generate the expression here first. Expression. I will not follow the question yet. It is that expression. Expression. We will contain 1. And since it is in the, fractional form it is, so there has to be a bar. Now what is here? In the denominator, 1 is coming, 2 is coming, 3 is coming, 4 is coming. That means it is basically a group of natural numbers. How to generate natural numbers? And see, 1, 2, 3 is all natural numbers. So can I write it as 1 by n? And what is n? N is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here. And n belongs to the group of natural numbers. That see here, I have told, now see, since at the end here dot 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 is made, this dot dot means what? Till infinity. Infinite set. In the next article only the types of set is coming, but see, I am taking time to explain you things. So infinite set. So here, since it is infinite, range not required here. Are you getting my point? Since the set is infinite, range is not required here. So what we require? Expression we have got, to which family it belongs we have got, and one more thing, I think first one of you have to write x at that x. That's it. So what will write? First give the name to it. A is equal to curly bracket x is such that x is equal to 1 by n. N is an element of natural numbers. Something more required? No. In the answer there we taken R, you can take N, you can take P also, you can take Q also, not a problem. But you have to write something like this. X is equal to 1 by n, n is element of n. I hope I have tried to make things simpler for you. And see, there are 5 parts. If time is required, I will take one part in each question, in each lecture, but the aim is to make you understand things. This part especially, people are facing problems. Someone had messaged